God.
It's just you. That's all.
Timer on.
Yep, I'll put the timer on. Ooh, searing. Wow, that's a big one. Okay, you're down to 2 minutes.
17. Look at it.
Okay.
Wow. Okay, 2 minutes.
Okay.
Put off.
Okay. Hopefully it's not burning too crisp. It's probably going to be okay. Just looks really toasty. Oh, that looks good actually. What do you think? It's ready?
We'll just do 30
One more
seconds.
second. Okay. 2 more seconds. Okay. You can leave the door open if you're worried about it, the heat being too hot. You just,
Okay.
It's already kind of down a bit.
Like 30 seconds?
Yeah, see, it's doing negative.
Okay. That's good.
I love the coal in there. Really smoky. Okay, now it's at 41 seconds, negative 41 seconds, so that means you've been on for a while. So you could take it off now.
Okay, let's see how we do here.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna...
You can put the other end now. Looks good. It's not as charred as I thought it was going to be. Alright, so yeah, we can put that in a little bit tighter. And then we'll close this up.
I just...
Alright, let's see how our mushrooms are looking. Ooh, they look good. I'd say they're almost ready. What's the temperature? Okay, cool. Of course, we like bloody steaks, so... Oh, that looks good already. That looks nice. That's, yeah. I think it's perfect, Bill. Yeah, looks perfect to me. What do you think?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. So let's see, we did 4 minutes on one side, but we turned it, right?
On the other.
And
Every 2 minutes
and then we
turned it.
flipped it after 4.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And then we just did 3 minutes on the
Second
second side, just to be sure.
Yeah, because we didn't want it to be... That's beautiful. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. That's a nice crust.
Mm-hmm.